Hello, my name is Deek. I'm the founder of CascadiaLink. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Starlink Mini. It's designed to be quick and easy to get going. So, in the case here, you'll have the Starlink dish itself, you'll have the power adapter, and the power cable. So, first thing you want to do is look at the back of the dish. This is the kickstand. Hit that up, and now take one end of the power cord and you're going to want to run it through here, and then you're going to plug it in to the power port, just like this. Once that's connected, set the Starlink dish on a flat surface with the kickstand down. That's about the right angle. And then take the other end of the power cord and just plug it in here to the power adapter. Finally, plug the power adapter into the wall, or in this case, into this battery pack. This battery will run the Starlink for 20 to 30 hours, just depending on usage. That's all you have to do. It's that simple. After a minute or two, you'll see the Starlink Wi-Fi appear on your phone. And once you connect to it, you'll have internet access. Now, it's important to look up. You want to have a clear view of the sky. The more sky you can see, the better your connection will be. A few small trees might not be a big problem, but thick, tall trees or other obstructions can block the internet connection. So it can be as simple as this. Or look at the next video and we'll talk about getting the Starlink app to look at connection statistics and make sure you're aligned perfectly.